Hey, what's up you guys? It's Heather. Welcome back to my channel.
Flying high like the birds and the bees and
So today we're gonna get straight into it. I have a list written down on my phone for this 2019 summer bucket list, and I saw a ton of YouTubers doing this video and I just thought it was a really cool and good idea. So I wrote down 22 things that I'm going to do this summer, or hopefully try to do. Most of them are things that I want to do, but a few of them are kind of like New Year's resolution type stuff, like things I want to get better at, I guess. Let's get into it. Before we start the video, I want to talk about a product that I've been using that is amazing and a lifesaver actually. It's called Poweradd, and Poweradd is a portable charger and you can get them on Amazon for $20, which is so cheap, and this charger, so good. This thing kept my phone charged the whole day. So it comes in this little pouch and it has a charger for the charger that comes with it, and it just looks like this. It's black, sleek, super nice, and it's just like aesthetically pleasing. It had this little circle with these 4 different lights that come on that tells you the different battery percentage that it's on, so 25%, 50, 75, 100, and I swear this thing has way more than 100% because it kept my phone charged like for 200%. I went to New York a few weeks ago and this thing saved my life because there was nowhere to charge my phone, and I had this in my bag and it was perfect. So definitely go and check out Poweradd because their product is amazing. You guys should check it out. Alright, so I'm gonna be packaging this up while I talk to you guys about my summer bucket list. So let's get started. So number 1, oh okay, this is a big one. I want to get a better wardrobe and kind of step out of my comfort zone. There's so many amazing things in fashion lately, and I feel like I just stick with the same old like t-shirt and mom jeans or mom shorts, and I'm really kind of tired of it. So I definitely want to try to step out of my comfort zone this summer, buy some cool new pieces, stuff I wouldn't normally wear, and just kind of like spice it up a little bit. The second thing I want to do is get tan, and this is probably on everybody's bucket list because that's what summer's for, tanning. I've been sick lately, so have not been able to go to the beach. I'm super pale, so we're gonna definitely have to fix that this summer. My third thing is put more time into YouTube. Since I've been sick, I haven't really been making YouTube vids or editing them. I had a few that were kind of already made that I've been posting, but I didn't really like them, and that's why they were not posted before. I definitely want to focus more on YouTube, but I will be working my other job, so we'll see how much I can do. My fourth thing is I want to go on a road trip. This has been like a bucket list goal of mine for a while, and I've been on road trips with my family of course, but I really want to do a road trip with either my boyfriend or my friends or both. Maybe go camping, like that would just be so fun to me. The fifth thing I have is go to a festival. So I've never been to a festival because I am 17 years old, and most festivals are for 18 and up. I mean, a few are 17, so I could go to those. I'm about to be 18 in July, so I'm definitely going to be attending a lot more festivals once I turn 18. The sixth one is eat healthier, and this is also a huge one on my bucket list. This is kind of one of those ones that's like a resolution, I guess. I don't eat the best, I would say. I definitely enjoy my Panda Express meals, so I definitely want to try to eat healthier. Just overall, be a healthier person. The seventh one is save up money. Not for anything in particular, really. I have a bad spending problem. Number 8 is practice skating more. I can't really like do any tricks. I really like skating, but I'm just not good at it at all. It's one of those things where you're like, I don't want to go because I'm not good, but I'm not gonna get good if I don't go. So I just need to get over that fear. Number 9 is learn how to sew. So if you saw in a few videos back, I got a sewing machine. It's because I was watching all these videos of people thrift flipping and they were sewing stuff, and I was like, that's such a good idea. Like, I want to make clothes out of thrifted stuff, like, and it was a good idea, but I have zero clue how to sew, so I definitely need to get on that and look up some YouTube videos on how to sew, because there's no point in having a sewing machine if you don't know how to sew. Number 10 is a beach picnic. So this would be so cute. A beach picnic, I just love the beach, like I've said before, and so a beach picnic would be so cute, and like especially at like sunrise or sunset where it's so pretty outside. I just want to do that. The next one, number 11, is consistent exercise routine. So I do have like an exercise routine, but I don't do it consistently, and there's some weeks I'm just tired and don't do it, and I'd like to get a better summer body, so I definitely want to get on a consistent exercise routine where I do it at least like 3 times a week and just get me healthier and working out better. Number 12 is go to an escape room. So we recently got an escape room. It looks so fun, and it's actually pretty inexpensive. I think it's like $35 a person. I love all that like cool like finding out stuff and clues and stuff, like detective. Number 13 is camping, and I already kind of brought this one up on the road trip one, but I love camping. The last time I went camping, I got pink eye from touching a horse, and I ended up getting pink eye in both eyes actually because it spread. So that's cool, but I'm willing to give camping another try. Number 14 is go to an arcade. We actually have like a ton of arcades here, so I easily could do this one, but I haven't been since I was probably like 12, and I really want to go to an arcade, and they have laser tag there, which catch me in laser tag. Number 15 is go to an aquarium. I don't think we have any aquariums here, so I probably have to drive up somewhere and go to an aquarium, but I think aquariums are really cool. Just look at these sea animals that I don't ever get to see. Number 16 is a stay-in movie night. I want to like, for this one, I want to plan like a movie night with my friends, and then like maybe make it like a scary movie night and like buy a bunch of snacks and like make a like fort thing or something. I don't know, this sounds stupid now, but okay, I swear it was a really good idea when I had it. Not that hard to explain. You guys know what a movie night is. Number 17 is go to a concert. So there's actually a concert coming up that I want to go to, and it's Dirty Head. They're so freaking good, and they're coming here, and their tickets are $30 or something, insanely cheap, and like I want to go so freaking bad, and I probably will go, so we'll see. Number 18 is go on a hike. I used to go hiking all the time at this place called Hannah Park. I need to go on hikes more again because I really like that. Number 19 is, oh my gosh, this one's so good, grow butterflies. Okay, so I'm pretty sure everyone in America at least did this. In like 3rd grade, we grew butterflies from like the little larvae in the little containers, and then like they turn into cocoons, and then you move them into the little butterfly like cage. Here, I'll insert a picture here of what I'm talking about. And I just want to do that so bad because I like randomly remembered this, and I was like, oh, I need to grow butterflies. I need to. I actually need to get on that. I need to buy a kit to grow butterflies. Number 20 is super simple, beach day, which I honestly do these a lot, so this one will be easy to check off the list. Number 21 is plant a garden, like a vegetable garden. Like I really just want to plant a vegetable garden in my backyard where I can take vegetables from it and like put them in my food. Or eat them. Yeah, you get it. You know what I'm trying to say. And the last one, 22, is read more, because my vocabulary has become very slim because I stopped reading around 2nd grade. No, I'm just kidding. I haven't read in a while, it feels like. I cannot find any books, so if you guys have any good book suggestions, please leave them down below, because I really need some good books to read because I just can't find any, which makes me just not want to read. I don't know how to talk. But I I really hope you guys enjoyed, and if you did, then definitely like and hit the subscribe button if you're not already subscribed. And I love you guys so much, and I'll see you guys next video. Bye!